Hey everyone out there, my name is Dee, and I want to talk to you today about AvaTrade or AvaTrade. I guess it depends how you say it. It's AvaTrade. AvaTrade, I'm just going to use that as my way of saying it. AvaTrade is basically a regulated Forex broker. They are very dedicated to providing all their clients with basically a lot of tailor-made trading solutions. Doesn't matter what your knowledge is or what you know about the trading world. You can use it very easily. You can start right away. They have a lot of different powerful platforms you can use. Basically, their trading is pretty much standard as far as like if you want to go for a regulated Forex broker, somebody who gives you all the offerings of what you would expect from a Forex broker, they have it. And not only that, but I think recently they just partnered with Manchester City, which is very cool. That gives them a lot of ability to trade on like over 250 plus instruments. That includes any day of the week, any time of the day, cryptocurrency trading, which is very cool, right? Anyways, what's really a nice unique feature about them, and something I've been really into lately, something I think a lot of the Forex brokers these days are into, is kind of I'd even call it a trend, is that they want to focus on education and enrichment of their users. So basically, they want their customers to stay on their platform. And how do you do that? You give them confidence. How do you give them confidence? You show them what they're doing. You educate them. You give them knowledge. Knowledge is power. Boom. They're going to stay because they're using that power to make money. And it's pretty effective. I think that's why it's becoming a trend is, all these Forex brokers, particularly AvaTrade, they're giving you all kinds of educational materials, teaching, training traders. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. They do it all for you everywhere. So their educational segments also constantly being developed and refreshed. So I don't want to equate it to like a website's blog always being updated, but that's kind of what it is. They always have new content on there. Again, they say their mission is to expand our horizons, to help us master our trading skills. Yes, that's definitely true, but I'd also like to venture and say that it's because they want us to not lose our confidence the minute we start, losing money in trades and think it's because we don't know something that they do or whatever the case may be. I mean, think about it. If you are fully confident and content in your trade and you actually think, okay, I know this trade, like I'm gonna do this trade because I know this, and this about the trade, you're gonna feel confident. And then even when you lose the money, you don't maybe not feel as bad, but it's more like, okay, I know what I need to do to fix it so I don't do that again. And having said that, AvaTrade offers a lot of different ways to get to that kind of place in your thinking and your thought process. They have a trading for beginners section that gives you all the basics like Forex and CFDs trading. So that's really cool because, again, if you're just coming in as fresh, you're like, I don't know what to do, I'm brand new. Go to that section and you're going to learn everything you need to learn. And also, it's written in like layman's terms, like super layman's terms. So you don't need like a degree on Wall Street to do this. Like you can easily get in there and start learning. That's how I did it. I mean, a couple years ago, I started doing all this. I didn't know anything. And, I've been trading now a couple years and I love it. I remember those days not knowing anything, and thankfully it was Forex brokers like AvaTrade that helped me understand stuff through their educational platforms, which a couple years ago wasn't as broad and as big as it is now, but still, now there's no excuse. You could definitely learn what you need to learn in a short amount of time and make money. Also, too, there's Sharp Trader. That's has like a lot of unique materials for traders from beginners levels to advanced. So that's like their premium educational site on AvaTrade. That has a lot more in-depth stuff. So once you do have a little bit of knowledge, they say it's for beginner level, but honestly, it's like beginner level after you've learned stuff. You're definitely going to want to use AvaTrade for that because there's so much you can learn. And again, the more you know about what you're trading, the better and more smarter you're going to be about your trades. Also, they have something like a Forex ebook. That's like a free ebook. They have like Forex trading strategies in there. It leads you step by step from being a novice to an expert. So again, in case you're not hearing me, the focus really on them is kind of for the beginner. They even have trading video tutorials. They're all divided according to your level of trading capabilities, which again, very, very, very cool. Allows you to trade very much with confidence, which I think is very, very, very cool. And, if you're interested about your trading instruments, they have over 250 of them, as I said. They have all the traditional FX pairs like vanilla options, CFDs on commodity stocks, indices, ETFs, bonds, cryptocurrency. They got it all. I mean, it's your pretty, I don't see your average trading platform. I think it's way above average, but it's basically has what you need in order to get going and trade on the level and with the currency that you want to trade. So look, do yourself a favor. Don't listen to me. Check it out for yourself. It's the best way to know if this is going to work for you. AvaTrade's awesome. I love it. I love it a lot, actually. Hopefully you will too. Click the link below this video. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. It'll take you right there, and you can check out exactly what AvaTrade's all about and see if it is for you. But again, just click the link. You see exactly what I'm talking about. Have a good one, guys, and hopefully trading goes well for you. Take care.